Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A second bearish black crow yesterday and a lot of intraday hesitation. Not exactly expressed by the daily patterns, but hesitation nevertheless around a close area containing a few interesting supports and resistances. These are the previously mentioned congestion area around 9160 to 9226. Within and just outside this congestion area we have the late July to date, currently 9117 broken downtrend that made up part of the June to August roof or half diamond pattern, as well as the slowly rising long moving average, currently 9167. Now looking at the bigger picture, my first thought was that the August to September action might be a triple bottom of some form, but I'm not happy about that idea. Then that the February to date action might be some form of head and shoulders pattern. However, I'm not keen on that idea, not just yet anyway. However, the action over August-September does look like a possible inverted cup with handle pattern. Now, I'm still going to ponder this one a little more before and if I expand upon the idea. So far today, a higher open and attempt to push up and out of the 9160-9226 area, if slowly. Right now, it looks very, very tentative. LME 3-month aluminium. A hanging man pattern yesterday. Now, this is traditionally seen as a bearish reversal pattern. However, data indicates that it's seen something like 6 out of 10 times in real life as a possible bullish continuation pattern. The question now is whether the hanging man pattern will follow tradition or the data. Overall, the market continues to look none too happy about cresting the recent bullish wave. What is interesting is that it seems to perhaps be getting a bit more than just being unhappy. Now, I'd previously pointed out how we've had a pattern build-up over the last 4 weeks. Oh, by a pattern build-up, I mean patterns build-up, the plural. These patterns could be one or more or none of the following. They are a possible bull flag, stroke bullish halfway hesitation, a possible horn top, which I think has seen its time go past actually, and finally a possible small pennant pattern. All this still leaves us with, as I put it last week, and I quote, "It's still too early to tell for sure, so we'll stay in an indecisive," end of quote, type of situation. Though I would say it seems to be moving more to a small pennant pattern right now. Let's try and say that. Now, so far today, it seems the market's following the data rather than tradition, as prices have opened a little stronger and risen thereafter into the congestion zone from March to June 2008 between 2907 and 2974. We'll now see how well it does within that zone. Now, I would point out one final issue. This pennant is getting too long in the tooth, and I suspect we may be seeing this pennant morph into a descending triangle. Watch out for that, just in case. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.